Types of asexual reproduction in lower organisms. Fission. Fission is a type of asexual reproduction, where the parent cells divides into two or more daughter cells. There are two types of fission, namely binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission. Binary fission consists of divisions of the nucleus followed by the division of cytoplasm, producing two cells, each having a daughter nucleus. Most of the unicellular animals prefer this method for reproduction. These organisms reproduce by binary fission, especially when conditions are favorable. That is, adequate amount of food and moisture is available. Binary fission is somewhat similar to mitosis. The mother cell divides into two daughter cells, and each daughter cell begins its life like a new individual. The parent generation ceases to exist after binary fission. Amoeba is a very good example of the organism which reproduces by binary fission. Simple binary fission. When the cytoplasmic division passes through any plane, the fission is called simple binary fission. Example, amoeba. In unicellular organisms like Planaria and Paramecium, the splitting of the cells during division can take place along any plane. This is called transverse binary fission. In Leishmania, binary fission occurs in definite orientation in relation to the whip-like structures located at one end of the cell. This is called longitudinal binary fission. In plants, binary fission can be seen in bacteria, yeast, and euglena. Multiple fission. In multiple fission, the nucleus of the parent cell undergoes repeated divisions to produce many daughter nuclei. The cytoplasm also divides and cleaves around each nucleus, forming several daughter cells in the parent cell. When conditions become unfavorable, that is, food, moisture, proper temperature, etc., are not available, this is the preferred mode of reproduction by unicellular organisms. The organism develops a thick coating around itself. This is called cyst. The cyst helps the organism to tide over the bad phase. The nucleus divides into several nuclei and each daughter nucleus is surrounded by a membrane. All metabolic activities stop in the organism after cyst formation. When favorable conditions return, the cyst dissolves or breaks down, releasing the daughter nuclei. The daughter nuclei, in turn, grow into new individuals. Plasmodium and amoeba undergo cyst stage when they are not in the body of their prime host, that is, humans. In plants, multiple fission is seen in algae.